So here at Transmit, we process mother coils, so big coils of sheet metal. We have special coated steel for transformers and electric vehicles, specifically for motor cores or really big transformers. And we take a mother coil and slit it down to smaller coils for production at stamping facilities and manufacturers. We had a 24-hour call-in line for any problems that we had on our off shifts. We did utilize that back then quite frequently if we had issues, and the issues were always resolved in a timely manner when we used the 24-hour. My experience in the 2 years I've been here has been great working with Sabre IT. Specifically, the people that I get to work with, they're extremely helpful, always respond in a timely manner. We always come to a resolution very quickly if it's collaborating together to find a resolution, or if it's Sabre finding the resolution and letting me know on what has been done to fix it. But my experience has been extremely good. I will say that. All employees are fully utilizing SharePoint. It was a seamless transition. After the first test weekend where we did a test migration, we worked out the kinks. Alex worked out the kinks very quickly. And after that weekend, every migration went perfect. There was 0 issues. More SharePoint for our users, myself specifically, and my department in quality has been great for collaborating on files. There's a lot of files that multiple people work on throughout the day, and previously it would be you have to wait as it was read-only until they left the file or saved it. And now being able to collaborate with multiple people on the same file has been huge. I know for my department and the sales department as well. And then setting up on SharePoint just groups for the individual teams. So for example, our production managers, I set up a team for them. And instead of having a piece of paper that they would leave notes to each other, now they're just leaving notes on SharePoint. So dealing with Sabre IT, it is not the corporate environment. It doesn't feel like, it feels like a small company, and it's easy to talk to everyone. And like I said before, everyone's very personable and a pleasure to deal with. The skill set goes well beyond our needs at Transmit here for our company. There's never been an issue that has not been able to be resolved. We had a server, on-prem server, storage completely filled up, and we were down out of production for a couple hours. Submitted a ticket to Sabre IT, and Jeremy was on it right away. He worked throughout the weekend for us, and we were back up and running that day. He worked in the background to get us running fully operational with storage issue resolved by Monday morning. So there was no downtime for us at all with such a serious issue. And this did fast track us to move fully to the cloud and get away from the on-prem servers that we have now.